Okay, so at this point we're just going inside like the place. I didn't really vlog at this point because I didn't really think of it until like what happens later on. So you see, but I'll keep on like having a voiceover just so you know what's going on.
There's the tower I've always wanted to go up. How fantastic that is.
Jeez.
No, I don't want to get my willy out, so the dog can bite.
I keep on thinking I can get like a dog collar.
I want to.
Wait for you.
I just want to go and get chipped.
Oh, that sounds like a great idea. Chips and vinegar, bruv. So, we're going to over this wall now.
No, I'm not.
Oh, where we are. And go to you. There's a dog down here.
Here's your camera.
Oh, cheers.
I keep thinking to move it, man.
Okay, go in. Over there to that thing.
I thought we could stick off the pathway.
Okay, so after this bit, you'll see, as we went up, we were just walking a bit more further, and near that building part, there was like a dog, like just standing, it was like standing there in between the trees, and it was massive, and it was just like looking straight at us. So then, as you see next, we just run as fast as we can.
Where was that? It's on its own? Yeah.
That was so big, that dog. It was like a Great Dane.
You sure it was a dog then?
Yeah. Okay, so the next building that we go to is an abandoned school, and I'm going to say everything in the intro, so I've already said it. So actually this time I've vlogged it quite a bit, so I'm going to put on the cinematics now of the place. Oh, we recording? Shall I start? You can. Hey, okay. Who's saying it?
So, outside this abandoned school, you've been here before.
Yo, what's going on, Kate and Page?
Your mum's dead. Yeah, it's school at
Okay, let's just not look at my face for the rest of that clip, because I literally look like a gormed out snail in all of them. I don't know what, I think it's because for like the past couple of like days I haven't been getting a lot of sleep, so I'm just like, yeah, don't know why. Yeah, this is TGF school, they've been here, this is where they've grown up and had all their math lessons.
Yeah, they actually own it.
Yeah, own it. Well done, Dan, for saying exactly the same for that word. Just said, you absolute spong. Come on, I'm not even scared of the dark, I swear. What's that? Mr. Scope it out.
We haven't been in there.
Oh, nice. Okay. Okay, now you can move. Die. Just die already. Thank the Lord. Jesus Christ, mate. My fat ass is too big. Sorry. Jeez, I'm in, bruv. Where are we going then? I can't vlog like that all the way through. Autism. What? Sorry. On the bottom floor, bruv. There's... How many floors are there?
Dan, turn around.
Oh crap, paparazzi. Been being... Jeez, there's some BBs on here.
So basically, this
Jeez.
building is school, as you can clearly tell, but
I need to do that.
people have bought it to do airsoft, and you can check my mate's video out where we explored it about a year back. And basically they've completely cleared it out, so obviously I'm guessing for safety.
Jeez. We'll get you. I need to set that. Okay, let me do the same thing you just did.
Is it?
So basically, this place used to be a school and it's actually massive. But now it's been, what's that word called? When you like make something up? Been recycled?
Yeah, been recycled
To
into...
no, but to a BB place, airsoft. So now there's just BBs everywhere and like grenades and stuff. Well, not grenades, but you know what I mean. This is where the hall was. Oh mate, I'm going to put my camera down there and pretend I'm doing a thingy. on. See through. That's all I wanted to do. Whoa! I'm gonna bang you out, Timmy. Okay, so now we're gonna set up some smoke bombs for him. Okay, this is the gym in the place. It's pretty sick actually, because you've got some ropes like monkeys you can swing on. So, let's go in here. A monkey bro. That's sick. So, I'm going to do a front flip if we do. Building a trampoline to do backflips because he is obviously a gymnast. Joking.
Oh! Oh, do you reckon if you run up and do it, it's easier? Yeah. Ready? You filming? Yeah.
Oh, I'm definitely breaking myself doing this.
Right, I'll land it this time. I'm going to land this one. What? I'm going to land this one. Oh. Push.
Oh. Jeez. He's like that autistic kid that runs around school all the time.
Basically landed that.
So we have just left there, right there, autism. Now we're going to try and go to see a sunset because we're autism.